What is the most valuable material or position that you have and why?
My phone, because it helps me connect to my family and helps me complete my daily tasks.
Thank you. Who is the most valuable person in your life and why?
My mother, because she supports me and never give up on me.
Thank you. What is the most valuable material or position that you have and why?
My most valuable possession will be my phone because I use this phone to gather information, and also it is where I will look on our recent activities or our modules that our teacher will send.
Thank you. Who is the most valuable person in your life and why?
The most valuable person in my life will be my girlfriend because she will always cheer me and also support me when I feel stressed, pressured in school.
Thank you.
What did you learn from the answers of the people you interviewed?
I learned that the people value is very important things to give in God because every life is full of happiness.
How do their answers relate to the idea of the material self?
Show that the material in this generation is very important in terms of academic aspect.
What does this tell you about what people value most in life?
They want life where everyone is treated equally, their uniquenesses appreciated, and they belong, caring, respectful in community.